Hi, in previous video I explained about the upside down idea when reworking pre-existing garments into new styles. In this video I want to show you the top that goes with the skirt. I'm Mariana, fashion upcycler from Perth, Western Australia. I explained about this skirt made out of men's vest, where the vest hem becomes the waist of the skirt with elastic incorporated for the waistband and also embellished with another top just to make the design flow. The top again uses the upside down technique literally. So this top is cotton. It has a lot of stretch, probably about 10% elastic in it, and it's made out of leggings. So I've chosen this top because it has also polka dots, and this was really nice way to make the design integrated with the polka dots. So what I've made, I've turned it upside down, the leggings, and this was the waist. But first I take off the elastic and open the crotch area, left the center back and center front seams attached, and then the lower part of the leggings I used to create the sleeves. So here on the shoulder I have a little bit of gatherings to adjust the length of the shoulder seam, and also I used the complementary small size top, bits and pieces of it, to create the band for the neck. Also I used the other sleeve, so the first one I used for a pocket, but the second I used to create this bow. The hem of the sleeve is embellished with another pink top which is the same color, so it was from this top, but the idea was just to have that dusty pink color into the design, not just concentrated around the neckline. The pieces that I added, and that was the last step, just to add some bits and pieces that I had left over. You can see here I used the right side of the legging, but here the other pieces I turned on the inside because the inside of the legging was just black without the dots. And to finish off these pieces I used overlocker, rolled hem, or also called lettuce, a type of finish, just to go around them and then attach. Here on the back I've got again two pieces just to make the design more interesting. This is the whole outfit made out of the top of leggings and the skirt from men's vest. I really like the upside down technique because it calls for a lot of creativity and you can think of a garment in a different way. Make sure that you subscribe for the channel because in other videos I will explain about the rest of the pieces from that collection. Mariana, fashion upcycler from Perth, Western Australia. See you in the next video.